Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you secret tricks to recover deleted photos on Android phones. So there are two ways to get back deleted photos. The first one is you need to just go to your gallery, and in the top here you can see albums. Just click on it. Now just scroll, and here you can see deleted items. Just click on it, and after clicking it you will find all the deleted photos that you have once deleted will be here. The photos will be here for 30 days, and after 30 days the photos will expire, so you cannot recover the photo after 30 days. Now the second step is you need to just install an app. So go back and go to Play Store. In the top search bar, search for Disk Digger Photos Recovery Apps. Now just install this app. I've already installed it. Now I'm gonna open it for you. Now into this app, here you can see in the first option in the top, search for lost photos. Click on it. You need to just give the permissions. Now here you can see all the photos that once deleted is here. Now just click on a photo and click on recover to recover it. Now just select the file where you want to recover it, and after selecting it you can just get back the deleted photos. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.